guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I picked up the new Kiss by GLAMLITE collaboration. There was a full collection with eye paints or face paints, lippies, mascara, everything, but I just chose to go with the palette. This is the Rock and Roll All Night and Party Everyday palette. Unfortunately, that is the only song I know from Kiss, but they're an iconic rock band that has been around for so many years. Let's take a peek inside this palette, shall we? So in here, we are getting, let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20 different shadows. This palette is still in stock on the GLAMLITE website, and I believe it retails for $32. I'm loving this color story. I think it looks fun. I see green, so I think this is going to be a good one. And if you're a fan of Kiss, then I think this is definitely something you're going to want for your Kiss collection. And I'm liking everything. It's more of a medium to deeper toned palette, which you guys know I don't mind that at all. So I'm going to be creating 2 looks with this palette today, and we'll check out how the performance is, how the shades are, and we'll see if this new GLAMLITE and Kiss Rock and Roll All Night and Party Everyday palette is going to be worth having in your stash. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me just introduce myself. Hello there, my name is Steff. I live for trying out new makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, all that good stuff. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of Kiss, if you're a fan of GLAMLITE, or you just want to see the looks I'm going to create, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up before you go. And as usual, everything that I'm using will be linked and listed in the description box. Some of those things might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping, thank you guys so much for helping me support this channel. Let's dive on into this new Rock and Roll All Night Party Everyday palette. If you guys want to see the 2 looks I'm about to create, keep on watching. Okay, so let's dive into this palette. I want to create something green first. You guys know I just have a thing for green. What can I say? So I'm going to go in with this one right here. Side note, each row represents each band member. So I only know Gene Simmons. I don't know the rest of them, so I apologize for that. The Right Heart and Kiss fans, I am so sorry, but I'm going to go in with this one right here, the Catman. I'm taking the shade on a Rephr 14 Max. Let me know if you guys picked this collection up. I want to say the full collection is still available. I don't know if that includes the PR box or if that's just the one without the PR box. There were a few things in the collection that I knew I really wouldn't get a lot of use out of. So that's why I just picked up the palette. I was tempted to pick up the mascara just because the last mascara GLAMLITE released, I liked it. The one that they released prior to that, I believe it was in the Scooby-Doo collection, I did not like that. So I was kind of wondering, you know, what the quality would be on it. And so I kind of just wanted to check it out. But at the end of the day, I just ended up buying the palette. There was like 3 new releases that day, so I had to pick and choose carefully. All right, this is going on nicely. It is a beautiful shade of green. Now I'm going to go into this shade right here called Lick It Up. I'm using a Singe EO2. I'm going to apply that on the outer corner, and then I'm also going to bring it inwards towards the lower portion of the crease. Now, I think I'm going to go into the matte black down here. This one is called Black Diamond, and I'm taking this Black Diamond shade on a Singe EO5. Just use this to deepen up the look a bit. All right, now it's time to play with some of these shimmer shadows. And we have a lot to choose from. I'm really curious about this shade. Look, I love that there's a pink in there. Then we have this beautiful blue. I'm kind of leaning towards even this one. Let's try this one right here. This one is called Magic Touch. I'm using a Morphe M124. I'm going to go in with this on, wow. Oh my God, that is a stunning blue. I'm going to keep this on the outer half. Wow, look at that. That is gorgeous. Let's try this green right here, Rock and Roll All Night. Same brush, I just flipped it over and sprayed. All right, I'm liking the way that looks. Little bit of fallout there. I'll take care of that in a sec. Oh, ooh, I need to get a spoolie for that one. But let me, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add a little bit more of that second green shade that I went in with. Just right in here, just to blend a little bit better. Oh, that is such a cool look. Now for the lower lash line, I think I will do something blue just so that it ties in, and I'm going to use this shade. I don't want to go too dark, but I'll use this one. This one is called Shock Me. I'm using a Refer 13 Mini for this shade. Now on a BH Cosmetics pencil brush, I want to try going in with this one, Detroit Rock City. And I am going to spray the brush. Okay, guys. Ooh, I like the way that looks. I'm going to pop off camera to take care of the finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 1. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 1. It's kind of like a peacock look, peacock feather look. I absolutely love it. Mascara I'll be using in today's video is Pat McGrath Dark Star Mascara. It's one of my favorites. For the top lash line, I am just about done with this one from Rare Beauty, but I think they sent me a PR package, so hopefully maybe they threw in an eyeliner because I'm going to need it. And then for the lower waterline, an LA Shockwave metallic eyeliner. This one is in the shade Ocean. Love the look. Love it. I couldn't say anything more about it. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. Okay, so let's see what we're going to do with look number 2. I'm wearing yellow and like burgundy colored pants today, so I think I'm going to go in with this shadow. This is going to be like a little deep, dramatic look, but love it loud. I'm going to see, do I pack that on the lid? I could. Let me do that. Let me pack that shade on the lid and then we'll see where the look goes from there. I'm using my BK203 to start packing. Okay, this is a little more, at least it's coming off a little purpley on the monitor. But here in my mirror, it really looks like the color of my pants. So we'll see. I don't mind either way. I'm going in with a BK211 just so I can define the shape better. So I'm really tempted by this shade right here. This one is called Axe. I think I'm going to do this shade and then maybe go into one of the greens or, ooh, even the purple. Let me go in with this shade first though. Using a damp Morphe M124. Very pigmented shimmer shadows. Wow. Yeah, I will blend that out better. Don't worry. All right, the next shade I'm going to go in with is this one right here, Stole Your Love. Same brush, I just flipped it over. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's a nice color combination. What I need to do next is I'm going to pick up the burgundy shade, the matte one, and I'm going to use it to start blending right in here to kind of just soften that line up where the shimmer and matte met. This is going to be a palette for those of you that want deeper looks, which I like. I like a good smoky eye. I love deeper colorful looks. This palette has it all for those of you who love that stuff. Okay, for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this one right here. This one is called Dynasty, using my Refer 13 Mini. Now for the inner corner, I want to try this white shade here. This one is called the Spaceman. I'm using my Damp Beach Cosmetics pencil brush. You know what I think I want to do with the shade is pop a little bit of it in the center of the lid. That is so pretty. I'm just going to pick some of it up with my finger and just do that. Ooh, that looks really pretty. All right, guys, I'm going to pop off camera to take care of the finishing touches. I will be right back to show you this completed look number 2. All right, so here is look number 2. I love the way this look turned out. Same everything with the exception of the lower waterline, a NYX Epic Wear eyeliner. This one is in the shade Berry Goth. Oof. How am I going to decide which look I'm going to wear today? Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video, and I'll share with you guys my final thoughts on the Kiss and GLAMLITE palette. Alright guys, so after creating 2 looks with this palette and using pretty much half of the shades that are in here, I think the quality is amazing, but let's talk about the packaging. The holographic effect on the front, I love it. I can just do this all day long. I think this was such a cool collaboration. I know a lot of you are big fans of Kiss, and I think, you know, as per GLAMLITE, as usual with them, they always nail it when it comes to packaging. They think of all of the amazing details. This palette is no different. You have the band members there on the mirror, and then you have your 20 different shadows on the inside. Now, this is going to be a deeper palette, so if you don't like these deeper tones, you're either going to have to bring in another palette if you want to own this, or you're just going to have to go in really light-handed with these shades. But I love it. I love the 2 looks that I was able to create. I don't think I can choose a favorite right now, but yeah, there's a little bit of everything in this one. Really pleased with it. I really like the layout of it, and I like how each row represents each of the band members. So I'm going to give this Kiss palette 2 thumbs up. I think GLAMLITE did a great job. They usually do. They have such a good formula, and it's at a fairly decent price point. I mean, it's less than $40. I think I said it was $32, maybe $36 at the most. And then so many content creators have discount codes. I unfortunately do not have one, but I like it. I'm glad that I picked this one up. Let me know your thoughts. I need to hear from you guys. What do you think of the entire collection? Did you pick up the entire collection? Did you just pick up the palette? Maybe I inspired you to pick something up from this collection. Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.